stories with long A sounds. Ready na? Go.
James was a snake. He lived in a cave near a lake. His best friend was Max, and the ape who also lived in the jungle. It was Max's birthday, so they both thought about eating a cake. When they searched the jungle, Jack found a potato, while Max got a grape. Jack made a sad face. How will he find a cake in this place? Holding a purchased parcel came a snail who said, "You got mail." Max tore the gift paper and peeled the tape. To his surprise, it was a big strawberry cake. It was a gift from Daisy, the crane, his best friend, who was going to come to the jungle by plane.
Alright. So, who has a birthday daw po?
Max,
Max and...
the snake.
Okay, so the snake's name is James. What do they want on their birthday?
Cake.
A cake. Do they got some cake? Did they get the
Yes.
cake? Okay. So do you think happy sila nag-celebrate? Alright.